Alright food lovers, welcome to Travel Food Atlas. Today, we're cruising through the heart of American cuisine, taking a big old bite out of the good old US of A. We're talking coast to coast, from sea to shining sea, uncovering the tastiest, most iconic dishes this country has to offer. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a culinary road trip that'll have your taste buds singing the blues. The good kind of blues, that is. Get ready to dive into 18 must-try traditional American foods that'll make you want to slap your mama, but in a good way, of course. First up, we're kicking things off with a true American classic, apple pie. Next, we're sinking our teeth into a juicy American icon, the hamburger. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're heading down south for some finger-licking Texas barbecue. Get ready for a creamy, cheesy explosion of flavor with a big old bowl of mac and cheese. We're taking a bite out of the South with some crispy, juicy, finger-licking good fried chicken. Hold on to your stomachs, folks, because we're about to experience the glory of deep-fried butter. Next up, we're indulging in a sweet American classic, the Twinkie. Get ready for a taste of the Mid-Atlantic with a hearty serving of Scrapple. We're sailing over to the East Coast for a taste of the ocean with a creamy bowl of clam chowder. Get ready for a taste of the islands with a poo-poo platter, a fusion of flavors that'll rock your world. We're heading down south for a taste of the swamp with some tender, flavorful gator kebabs. Get ready for a flavor explosion with a big old pot of gumbo, a Cajun and Creole classic. We're stepping back in time with a taste of canned bread, a unique American invention. Get your napkins ready, folks, because we're about to dive into a plate of saucy, spicy buffalo wings. We're heading to the islands for a taste of paradise with a fresh and flavorful Hawaiian ahi poke bowl. Alright folks, it's time to get adventurous with a taste of the Midwest, the fried brain sandwich. We're finishing our journey with a sweet taste of Boston, the classic Boston cream pie. And for our final stop, we're heading back to the islands for a comforting bowl of Hawaiian Simon noodles. Well folks, we've reached the end of our American food journey. I hope you enjoyed this wild ride through the diverse and delicious world of traditional American cuisine. Remember, this is just a taste of what this great country has to offer. So get out there, explore, and discover your own culinary adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future food adventures. Until next time, keep on eating good in the neighborhood.